In today's video, we're going to take a look at the January 2024 Crate Club General Level Mystery Box. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me for a Crate Club unboxing, opening, whatever video. And it's been a while since we did a Crate Club video here because I had to put some stuff on the back burner on the channel last year because of other stuff that I had going on. So, and this is one of the things that's been on the back burner. So, as we get going into this video, I'd be interested to find out if you like this kind of content, if you think we should bump some of them to the front burner, or if you want to leave them on the back burner. I will tell you, I've got one more from the last one from 2023 that I haven't shown yet. And if I get enough comments in the section below saying, hey, we want to see more of that, then I'll show that one too. Today's video is sponsored by Hog Holsters. Hog Holsters are made in the USA in Arizona, and they are without a doubt the most comfortable concealable holster I've ever tested. You can save 10% on your order at Hog Holsters by using the coupon code Survival on Purpose, all one word. That's hogholsters.com. Thanks to Hog Holsters for sponsoring today's video. Right now, we're going to look at this one. This was January 2024. Crate Club is a mystery subscription box that you pay them some money and they send you some stuff. They got multiple different subscription levels and programs. They've got quarterly, monthly, annually, different levels. So you can go to their website. There'll be a link in the video description below and get all that information. All I'm going to do here is just kind of show you what's in here so you can use it as an example of the kind of stuff you might expect in a mystery box from Crate Club. So that being said, in all transparency, I have prepped this box and taken everything out of the little boxes and all that in the interest of not having a 20-minute video. So this is the little brochure that comes with them every month, or at least every box, whenever this was a quarterly box, and it's a general level. It's pretty high up there, I think. And it just tells you what's in there. So without further ado, we're just going to get right to it. The first thing we're going to pull out is this bin shot rocks glass, and it's a very nice, hefty glass. It looks like this heated up with a bullet inserted into it and melted in. So it's pretty cool there. The bullet is encased by glass, so it's not going to interfere with your drinking. But there's that one there, family owned, made in the USA, and they say everything that is drank out of here, or is it drunk? Everything that is drunk out of here, it tastes like freedom. So anyway, that is the bin shot rocks glass. Next we'll take a look at Beast Wash, a rugged beast bar, and this is a beastly bar set soap with a, looks like a little embossing of a Bigfoot monster or something on it. But what I like about it is, I looked at this, there's no ingredients on here that I can't pronounce or that sounds like it came out of a test tube. So I like that. I try to use kind of natural soap as much as possible. So there's that. Next thing in here, we'll just pull it right out. Grail GeoPress. This thing absolutely rocks. I'm telling you, I've got these in my get home bag or, emergency breakdown bag or whatever. They absolutely get the job done. They take out viruses. You just fill this up with water. You put the filter in, open your cap up, let some air in there, and just filter it down. Push it down. As you push it down, the water goes up through the filter and fills up the water bottle. And if you want to take the lid off, you can. But anyway, again, it filters out viruses. It's the real deal. So that is a really cool item. Next, another really cool item. I've also got one of these, and I like it a lot. It is a Wazoo survival gear, or Wazoo cash cap. I guess they just call themselves Wazoo now. Anyway, so our friends at Wazoo Gear, this thing is really cool. It's got a little Velcro field here. If you want to get one of their hats, they also make they'll make them without the Velcro. No button here, so it won't interfere with your earmuffs or anything like that. It's also not structured up here, so I kind of like that. But what it's got, it's really cool, is it's got some little stash pockets here, with Velcro all the way across, or in little side pocket slip-ins here. Like I've got a little mini ferro rod in one and a little ceramic knife / striker in the other one on mine. And it's got some pockets all up inside here. Get out of the way. That you can tuck stuff in, and it's kind of got a reflective color inside there, so that kind of helps you see what you got tucked in there if you need to see it in its dim light. And really nice hat there. So far, this one is doing a really good job of making me happy. Next item on the list is a knife from Civivi. Civivi is coming out with some really cool knives. I got to give them credit. I first learned about these guys about a couple, 3 years ago, I think from Going Gear. But they make some nice stuff. And this is a little push button lock knife. Flips open, very, very, very smooth. Has a bottle opener on it and a push lock. So just push button, so it's locked and just easy to close. Nice tip up, ambidextrous pocket clip, and just a nice deal. I think they did a good, Survivi did a good job on this one. We'll put them right in there, give them a little place of honor. Next is, okay, pretty cool here. It is a Halo Optics Z1000 rangefinder, and this is good. Has a 6 power magnification, and it is up to 1,000 yards laser rangefinder, which is really handy whether you're hunting or playing golf, or just trying to do some long range shooting. So, at least for me, up to 1,000 yards is long range. So that's the Halo rangefinder. Then next item is this Gray Ghost admin pouch, and it's got the little Molly tabs on back, and it's also got laser cut Molly here. You got a lot of different ways to attach this. It's got laser cut Molly and Velcro on the front, and when you open it up, it's got all kinds of doodads in here. You can set this thing up pretty much a lot of different ways. So that's pretty cool too. It's always good to have these little admin pouches. General duty pouches, what I call them. Use them for a lot of different things. And that's cool, but what's really cool is they got something to put the pouch on. That's a minimalist plate carrier. This is a Gray Ghost minimalist plate carrier, and what that means is it's a plate carrier that's minimalist. It's really thin and lightweight. It has no cummerbund wraparound big things on it. It's just it doesn't have all the bells and whistles about a fancier plate carrier, but it's also that's to be light and small. So you could put up to any rifle plates or just whatever you want, level 3, level 4, and keep this in your vehicle, and you can throw it on really easily and get your pouch on it. You can put mag pouch. You can put whatever you want to on it. It's a plate carrier. So anyway, that is everything in the January 2024 Crate Club. When Chuck Norris turned 18, his parents moved out. I'd really appreciate it if you would, before you leave, if you take a second, leave me a comment in the comment section below as to whether or not this is the kind of content you'd like to continue to see here at Survival on Purpose. So anyway, I really appreciate you watching this video. Remember, survival is not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.